Hi guys, it's Mary. I got an order in from Tonic that I wanted to share with you. It was a week ago or so. Their August stamp club was released, and it is Stamp Club 11. And it's, what do they call it? Patterns and prints. And so it's got all kinds of different prints, newspaper, cursive writing. It's got stains. It's got all kinds of little backgrounds and things in the stamps. And then this I thought was pretty unique because it's got like a honeycomb and prints, but they're in the dies. And this says, hello, and you're, and then Anne, and then I think this says, oh, you know, I'm not good at this. Let's see. Well, it's your something. Fabulous. Your friend. So, hello, friend. Not sure what that one is. Anyway, I thought that they would be cool for background of cards. And then when they released this one, 11, they re-released 5. And I went ahead and got 5 because it goes with 11, and it's similar. And it was before my time shopping with them. So 5 was called Backgrounds and Borders. And so it's got different kinds of little borders. It says your face, sending love, hey. But it's got the same kind of words that's in this one. It says miss, love, hugs, you. Let's see what this one says. If I can open it. Let's see. I like this too. I think this is pretty cool. It's real geometric. All right, let's see what this one says down here. Hold on, it's stuck. There we go. Oh, thinking of, and then so you could say thinking of you, friend, hugs, love, miss. So miss you, thinking of you. It's really bold. So I think that'll be fun. And then hugs and hello, they'll work together really well. So I thought it was fun. I like their stamp club. And I'm glad I was able to get this one that goes with it. So anyway, so that's it for Tonic. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Thanks for subscribing. If you have this one and you've 11 or the other one 5, let me know what you've made with it. I think they're going to be a lot of fun to work with. So, okay. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Until the next time, stay safe and well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.